Hello, my lovely Libras. Welcome to our channel, Sharks Tarot. Guys, I heartily welcome each and everyone here over this particular reading and channel. And these are general reading, guys. This is all about you versus them, where we'll be looking up at your cards, your person's card, feelings over there, and the mutual cards at the end. We would be clarifying each and every cards as well. Libras, the ones who have not yet subscribed to our channel, please come up, do subscribe to our channel. The regular watchers, regular viewers who have not yet subscribed, please do subscribe to our channel. Like and comment upon these readings and tell us about how we can maybe improve the readings of ours, and any kind of suggestion you want to give, you can comment over here. We are also giving free personal reading. You can come up and take the free personal reading as well. Okay. Libras, on your part, the cards we get here is the Ace of Wands, the Knight of Wands, and the Four of Wands. I have to say one thing, Libras, to you, that is, what I see here is a lot of passion, lot of belief, a lot of faith for this new beginning. I feel I would straightforwardly say one thing, that you want to marry someone you have in your heart, in your mind. You're focusing on them, you're working for them, and you're walking towards them as well. You're just making a way so that how could you connect with them the most is what I feel. But definitely genuine new beginning is coming up for you people, and this new beginning is coming up with lots of happiness and lots of abundance. Let me clarify, why is this Ace of Wands over here? Why is this Ace of Wands over here? Wheel of Fortune. Why is this Knight of Wands? Why is this Knight of Wands over here? Universe, do clarify me, why is this Knight of Wands over here? Seven of Cups. Okay. Why is this Four of Wands? Four of Wands. What does Four of Wands says? Why is it here? Universe, do clarify me the card for Four of Wands. King of Wands. I feel this thing, Libras, that a matchmaking has been made for you people. Universe has come down to help you guys to meet your soulmate, I feel. I definitely feel that I feel this thing is happening. Just a second, yeah. A lot of things are happening, as in you people are feeling too much and the need to explore a lot of options as well. A lot of options are coming to your way. Might be that a lot of proposals would be coming to you as well. I feel what here is a wish is to be granted to you very soon, but now it's an illusion, guys. You want a happy home with someone you have liked them the most. Might be an Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius as well, I could say this thing. Moving on to your person's part, Libras, they get the Judgment, the Eight of Wands, and the Magician. They are definitely manifesting you. They are definitely wanting to have a communication with you people, guys, is what I feel. They are definitely manifesting you people, and they are wanting to communicate with you in the best possible ways. Why is this Judgment over here on Libra's person's part? Universe, clarify me. Star. See, I feel this thing. They are ready to go the past baggages. I feel this thing, Libras. Why is this Eight of Wands for? Please do clarify me the Eight of Wands. Why is this Eight of Wands? Why is this Eight of Wands from the universe side? It's Seven of Pentacles and Devil. I feel this thing. Why is this Magician as well? Let me clarify the Magician as well. Why is this Magician here? Okay. Six of Wands. Yes, they are manifesting victory with you guys. They want victory. They want stability with you. Then I have to say that they are gonna talk to you. You know why? One more reason, Libras, they are sexually attracted towards you. Physically, you are looking amazing to them. They cannot let you go from their heart, from their mind. I feel this thing. Mutuals, we get the Six of Swords reversed with the Ace of Pentacles. Definitely a new beginning on both the ways is gonna happen. You both want this. You both want this badly, I feel. And a new beginning would be happening, guys. Very soon, I feel. Something tangible, it's happening. Why is Six of Swords reversed? Reverse Six of Swords. Why is the Six of Swords reversed? Right. I told you, devil is here. Guys, some kind of toxicity was definitely around here. And Ace of Pentacles, Temperance, and Ten of Cups. See, I feel the universe is definitely sending you somebody with harmony, with no more conflicts, who are a good creators, who are a good givers as well. They also want a happy long-term commitment. You also want the same from them. So this connection, Libras, are gonna work amazingly. Go up, and I think choose this individual and go with your intuition. I feel that you would be getting victory because the universe is slightly helping you with your choices, with the person, with everything. I feel now. So Libras, I feel this is what exactly I'm having for you guys. Do like, comment, subscribe to our channel. These are general readings. You can come up and take the free personal reading which we are giving on this channel, and definitely just have to register by paying a small amount and it's done. You could access to your free personal reading. Thank you so very much. Do subscribe to our channel, guys. Do subscribe, I would say this thing, and share it with your friends, family members, and everyone. Thank you.